Introduction to the Tools I View software for use with a milling machine or lathe and a webcam. You can use an ordinary webcam with a shaft bolted to the back of it to enable you to fit it into a chuck, or as I've done, I've made my own camera using the internal parts from a commercially available webcam. Various options available to set different graphics, colours, pen width. Let's just bring up a tool here. Let's use the center tool and we'll resize it. We can change the colours, any colour you like. Best to get a colour that contrasts with the background, so if you've got a very light background, use a dark colour, or conversely if you've got a very dark background, very dark piece of material you're working on, a light colour is quite good. And you can do the same with the text. Set different text font sizes and any particular font you want. Italics if you want to, particularly different sizes, and along the bottom row here we have the various tools available. There's the center spot, there's the left hand bar, right bar, top bar and bottom bar. Up here it shows you which, this mouse over shows you which one that you're selecting in case the graphics are not obvious. If we bring up another one, let's bring up this bottom bar and we'll just move it. We can move it by clicking the mouse button to where we want it to go, and this gives you, this number here is the length of the bar, which you can adjust or move using the resize and move buttons and these jogger keys here. Down here on the status bar it shows you which marker you've got active, which is the bottom bar, and the you're in resize mode, which is shown up here, and this here is the distance on the x-axis and the y-axis from the center spot. So from the center spot here to the bar is 13.4 millimeters in this case, 13.4178 to be precise, and it's exactly it's just off center actually on the x-axis. If we move the bar over here somewhere, then we'll see that these values have changed. The y-axis is pretty much the same because I moved it just on the x-axis, and it's now 12.6 millimeters from here to here, which is the center line. We can change that to imperial, and all the figures are updated into imperial measurements. Obviously the diameter there and the length of the bar. We can hide those values using the hide data button, and the button immediately changes to show data should we want to bring it back.